Welcome to Emoji's Playhouse. Today we re-meeting two neighbors in Emoji Town, the happy face and the angry face. Both are normal. Both are welcome. When they stand side by side, we can learn how to respect each other's feelings and work as a team. Ready, let's play. Happy says, I feel light and bouncy. I want to cheer and play. Angry says, I feel hot and tight. I want things to be fair and safe. Different feelings can stand side by side. Let's learn how they can respect each other. Angry is building a tall block tower, careful, focused, almost done. Happy skips by, cheering about a gold star. The table wiggles, crash, Angry shouts, my tower. Angry's face gets hot, hands clench, Happy laughs by accident. That makes Angry feel worse. Pause, look, listen. Happy takes one slow breath. Shoulders drop, voice goes soft. Happy says, I see your tower fell. I'm sorry my skipping bumped it. Do you want help or do you want space? Angry crosses arms and says, space first. When someone is mad, loud Happy can feel like noise. Lower the volume, offer choices. Angry steps back. Feet stomp safely on the floor, not at people. 3 dragon breaths in through the nose, out like a dragon. 1, 2, 3, Angry names it. I feel mad because my work fell. My body feels hot and tight. Happy waits, quiet face, gentle eyes, hands to self. After a minute, Angry says, okay, I'm calmer. I still feel mad. I can talk. Happy asks, do you want steady help or cheering? Angry answers, steady help. No cheering yet. Happy nods, got it. Quiet Happy is a small smile, soft voice, and slow moves. Celebrate later. They make a plan. Angry says, I'll design a strong base. Happy says, I'll gather blocks and hold the table. They count together. 1, 2, 3, place, quick pause. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to Emoji Playhouse. Your support helps us make more feelings videos and helps other kids discover and learn about emotions too. Thank you. Now the tower is strong. Happy says, I feel a bubble of joy. Ready for a little cheer or still quiet? Angry checks in and says, I'm ready for a tiny cheer. Happy whispers, yay team. Angry smiles a little. Thanks for asking. Sometimes happy energy can lift a mood. Sometimes it can poke a sore spot. Ask first, match the moment. What if Angry snaps and says, stop being so happy? Happy can protect their joy and still be kind. Happy says, I like feeling happy. I'll make it quiet so it doesn't bother you. Do you need more space? Angry can protect their boundaries and still be kind. Angry says, I need 5 quiet minutes. Then I can rejoin. They set a timer. They try again. Happy brings bright ideas. Angry brings strong focus. Happy remembers to breathe and ask first. Angry remembers to use words, not hands. And they rebuild and repair, not just the tower, but the friendship. Try it tips when you re-happy around someone who is mad. Lower your volume and speed. Use soft eyes, a gentle face, and hands to self. Say, I see you're mad, want help, space, or both. Offer choices like 2 breaths together or I can hold the table. Save big cheers for later and use quiet happy now. Try it tips when you re-mad around someone who is happy. Say what you feel and need, like I feel mad. I need space for 5 minutes. Use safe moves such as stomping feet on the floor, squeezing a pillow, and dragon breaths. Ask for steady help. Help me rebuild. No cheering yet. Use words, not hands, and if it's too big, get a grown-up. Safety check. If hands are not safe or yelling won't stop, get a trusted grown-up right away. Happy says, I can shine softly when you need calm. Angry says, I can cool down and let help in. Together they say, different feelings can be teammates. If you like learning with emojis, tap subscribe and come play at Emoji Playhouse.